our company, MidSouth Construction, we do a lot of insurance restoration. We're a preferred contractor with over 5 different insurance companies where they send us out on their behalf as the actual insurance adjuster. And when we go to a property, when we're looking at a roof, as far as an insurance loss goes, we're looking for a covered peril. And covered peril is just a fancy word that they use in your insurance policy that means, there's only limited things that they cover. Whenever we get on a roof, we look for wind and hail. All of our guys know to look for that. There's certain things that we look for to determine if we think there's wind or hail on it. For the insurance company to cover the roof, it has to have wind damage or hail damage. So bad workmanship is not covered on your insurance policy. Only wind damage or hail damage is. If you had a roof with bad workmanship that also had wind damage or hail damage, it would be covered. But if you just have a new, medium or very old roof with no storm damage, but it had bad workmanship, that would never be covered as part of the claim. And the one kind of weird thing that we run across sometimes is we don't see it that often in our market, but it's called ice damming. Sometimes cause bad leaks, sometimes it'll cause subtle leaks, but it'll, essentially, cause interior damages, and a lot of times it's a lot of damage. And insurance companies, whenever that happens, they'll always replace the anything that happens on the inside, which we handle, any interior damages as well. But they usually will not cover anything on the roof when an ice dam occurs, because there's actually not anything wrong with the roof. Kind of an odd situation, but technically for them to owe for a repair or replacement on the roof, it needs to be due to hail or wind or a tree falling from wind, tree branches falling from wind. So anything that hits it from wind is included in that, but the only covered perils from the only covered perils or covered repairs that are due to your roof is for wind or hail.